Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to check your oxygen level on Apple Watch. First, ensure your Apple Watch model supports the Blood Oxygen app. You'll also need to set up and enable the app on your paired iPhone. Once that's done, wear your watch snugly on your wrist, making sure it's not too tight or too loose for accurate sensor contact. This initial setup is crucial for reliable readings. To take an on-demand measurement, open the Blood Oxygen app directly on your Apple Watch. When prompted, keep your wrist flat and completely still for 15 seconds. It's important to avoid any movement, talking, or even deep breathing during this short period. The watch uses red and green LEDs along with photodiodes to measure the light absorbed by your blood, providing your oxygen saturation. After the measurement, your Apple Watch will display your blood oxygen percentage. Healthy individuals typically show readings between 95% and 100%. If your readings are consistently below 95%, or if you have concerns, it's always best to consult a healthcare professional. Remember, factors like skin perfusion, temperature, and even arm hair can influence the accuracy of the readings. Beyond on-demand checks, you can enable background measurements in the Health app on your iPhone. This allows your watch to take periodic readings throughout the day and night when you're still. For these background measurements to occur, ensure your Apple Watch is charged above 30%. Also, regularly clean the back of your watch to keep the sensors clear for optimal performance and consistent data collection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.